Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming access and permissions. This is essential. Sign in with the account that owned the activity history and complete any 2FA prompts. Once done, make sure the device is unlocked, has admin rights, and is powered. You may need direct access to app settings. Also verify whether sync or backups were active within the last 30 days. If they were, you can restore faster. If not, prepare to run local recovery tools next. You now attempt the main recovery steps. First, open the platform's backup or activity controls and look for exports like zip or JSON. Request an account download if available. If cloud backups exist, use the official restore or import sequence. Follow prompts in order so timestamps and associations remain correct. If no cloud copy exists, run reputable file recovery software on the device, targeting app folders and specific timestamps. Then validate recovered files before importing them back. You finish by validating and securing the recovered history. Inspect timestamps, data sources, and continuity. Fix duplicates or gaps before re-enabling sync. Once confirmed, turn on automatic backups and export a local copy for redundancy. If recovery fails, escalate. Check server or audit logs if you have access, and submit an account recovery request to the provider with exact timestamps and device ID. One tip: if entries are still missing, stop writing to the device to avoid overwrite and run deeper forensic scans.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.